Morning, William. This is Phil Nelson with Tameron, Honda, and Hoover. Just wanted to shoot you a quick video to introduce myself. Also, I wanted to thank you for your inquiry on this beautiful 2015 Honda Odyssey LX. This thing is the safest vehicle in this world. It's got the best safety ratings out of any minivan on the market. It's an excellent choice. It's got the best resale value. Comes with all the latest amenities. One of those of which is the Bluetooth function. It's going to make life really easy for you. Of course, you get great seating capacity, seats about 8 people. Come see this thing in person. It will not last long. It's a really rare find. My number is 205-834-6908. That's 205-834-6908. Or you can email me at pnelson@tameron.com. And I can promise you this, Huckabee, when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.